I don't know how many
Nuh-uh.
parts I'm gonna have to make of this, but it's
I'm
probably gonna be a
innocent.
lot.
I would never say that. Oh, okay. Let's go. Oh! Tuka, animal bullets.
I need more bullets.
Oh, bro, that's
Spitter.
oh, the charger, charger.
Charger. Smoker. Anything in here? No. She's on me.
The witch.
There's a witch somewhere. Turn off your flashlights.
Got some explosive rounds right here. Deploying frag rounds.
No, let me do it, please. Thank you.
Ah, some adrenaline shots.
She's in this hallway. Oh shit, charger!
Oh,
Into the Swan maintenance room of love. Reloading.
Stop getting in my way!
hi.
Damn, Daniel. Bye, bye.
Oh,
Emily. Spitter! Oh, that's far drop. Smoker. Got him. 100 down here.
it's a
100!
clown. Whatever.
Shoot me, ain't gonna help nothing. This is the longest tunnel of love I've ever seen.
Spitter.
Spitter.
This ain't right.
Quite heal.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna do.
Guns right here. Hey, wait a second. I gotta heal.
Jockey.
Oh,
Spitter! Not spitter, I mean smoker. Smoker, god damn it.
Throwing a pipe bomb. A roller coaster?
Oh, I remember this one.
Reload.
This is where we gotta run on the damn tracks.
We're blocked by the screaming oak.
Y'all ready?
oh wait. Hold up, I gotta heal.
Shit. Gotta heal my ass. Heal.
Once we do this, it's gonna sound an alarm and we gotta run this track.
Alright, I'm ready.
I'm starting it.
Wait, Pablo fell.
Oh no! No!
Pablo
no!
fell.
No! No! No!
Hey, if anyone don't mind, could use a hand.
Yeah, Rochelle, come help me, you bitch.
Help me out.
Rochelle, you dumb bastard! Get me. Rochelle, what the fuck
Wait,
you
wait.
doing? Rochelle, what the fuck? You piece of shit! I'm fucking stuck here, guys. Help me, please.
Y'all, I can't hang here all day. Hey, y'all, I can't hang.
Wait, hold up. I'll just try to come to you.
I'm dead. It's over.
Oh.
Fucking Rochelle was right next to me. Killed some zombies, stared at me, and then walked away. Piece of shit.
Ammo here.
Okay.
Hello.
You ready?
Jesus. Oh my god. Okay. Let me just, grab some ammo since Idol decided to shoot. Alright. I'm ready.
He was yelling for her to save him, but she didn't want to get wet.
Rochelle.
No smooching, y'all, man.
No smooching.
Oh. No smooching.
No smooching.
No smooching. I know that's gonna be hard for you, Pablo.
What?
Reloading.
You heard me.
Reloading.
I'd rather eat
Alright.
shit than smooch any of you.
There's a clown. Kill it fast.
One of them back humpers around.
Oh,
Jockey.
find us. Okay, got the gnome again. Okay, Ben Chef over here. Smoker got
Got him.
Rochelle.
I need more.
Okay.
Move your fat ass.
Bro.
One thing video games have taught me. Good
I hear
shots
something.
Oh, there's a tank. There's a tank. That's a tank. Y'all ready for this?
Yeah.
Yeah.
No, not really, but okay.
What's in here real quick? Okay. We'll open this door. It's coming through! He's yelling timber! Go!
Ah, why me? Why me?
He's down! Jesus.
I don't know
Die!
why it chose me, bro.
Finally.
Ooh, that was close.
Charger,
Ooh, this-
Hunter. Oh God,
Ah,
Hunter
fuck,
got me.
God
Hunter
damn
got
it.
me. Got you.
Reloading.
I
Taking
got
pills.
katana now.
I gotta heal.
For my family and honor.
Oh yeah.
Alright.
Okay.
How's
Bullets.
everyone doing?
Bullet.
Ammo here.
Ammo.
Wait, where's my shotgun? There it is. There we go.
Damn, Wyatt.
Yeah.
Reloading this shit.
I put Chomsky up there. Let me go get ammo.
Bye.
Alright, I got an adrenaline shot now so that I can run that coaster faster now.
It's up here. Yeah, that's this room.
Man, being mute isn't fun.
Yeah.
Wait, I got a pipe bomb.
Alright, got the gnome.
Hold on.
Pipe bomb. Fire bomb.
Boomer.
Oh, you. Get away from me. They're coming.
Reloading.
Just farming kills.
Alright.
Yeah.
You want me to?
Farming kills.
Alright, let's drop.
I'm a reload.
But what if I want to?
Bro, I loaded this gun.
Oh, it's spitter.
Spitter.
Spitter. Smoker about Rochelle.
Wait,
Jockey.
Jockey.
I reload.
Ooh.
Okay, can reload. Alright. Ah, fuck. Which?
Everybody grab some
Chainsaw.
incendiary ammo.
Oh,
Where is? Oh yeah, chainsaw.
Get her, bitch. That
Uh-oh.
that is the best weapon to use on her, bro.
Incendiary rounds over here.
That's the best weapon to use on her. You should go do it. That's the best way.
Make
to
sure
kill
to
her.
grab your incendiary.
Yeah, grab
I'm
that.
Chainsaw Man.
Chainsaw her.
Yo! Denji!
That's actually the best. One of the best for that.
Oh. Hey, hold up, hold up.
Boomer!
No, it's the charger. Get it right.
Yo, there was a boomer
Ah!
and a charger.
You pissed her off.
Smoker got me. Jesus, man. Let me heal up.
Oh. Chainsaw Man.
Johnson.
I took drugs
Okay.
again now.
Good job, man. We love drugs.
Chainsaw
Oh, yeah.
Man. Up, 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 up.
Chainsaw
Up,
Man.
up, 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 up.
Alright.
Ready, fellas?
Hold on. Let me take my adrenaline.
Anything to
Wait,
heal
where'd the
yourself?
gnome go? Oh, there. 3.
No, but I'm good. I took meds.
Alright, I'm ready.
I'm starting it. Fly down these hills.
Come on. Hurry up. I got an adrenaline shot going. I'm fast right now. Speed! I'm gonna try and get to it as fast as possible. Spitter goo.
Yep.
Hunter! God damn, my adrenaline wore off. Come on, speed! Smoker! You got me!
Wait, where's he?
Right
Oh,
there!
God damn it, help, help! Woo!
Alright, go!
Fucking run!
Hunter! Jesus!
We're all so fucking low.
We all are.
Yeah.
The end is right there. Get away from me.
Hunter!
What's up?
Yo, I'm right
I'm
there.
down,
I'm
I'm
right
down,
there.
I'm down.
Get away.
I got you.
Fire!
I don't got you. I don't get. Come on.
No, I'm right there.
Shoot it.
No.
No!
I was right there.
No! That's so fucking
I
stupid.
lost my chainsaw.
Not my chainsaw.
I lost my chainsaw. I can't go boo. Pa, 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 pa. I can no longer chainsaw man on them.
How did I not get vomited on?
Cause he's just better.
Yeah.
Ah, smoker!
Smoker eradicated.
Jockey somewhere. I hear him.
I'm a reload.
Yep.
Sorry.
Oh, goddamn.
Alright, gonna reload.
All right.
Little bit crawling.
Ooh, who's
Sir.
this beauty? Oh, it's just this gay card.
Why were you admiring me? That's kind of gay.
Nuh-uh, it's only gay if you make it.
Man, shut up.
Nigga! Sound like a child.
I. I'm an
Holy
adult.
Shit.
Hey, I'm reloading.
Charger!
Oh, charger, charger! Got you.
Thank you, thank you. Boom, bom, boomer, boomer, boomer.
Ooh,
Okay, boomer.
Okay, boomer. Okay, we get some ammunition.
No, wait, where'd the gnome go?
Weapons over here.
Oh, it's over there.
there's
Oh
not
my
ammunition
god, I
over
almost
here,
had a
that's gay.
heart attack.
There's no ammunition.
Yeah, the director doesn't like us.
Yeah. Whoa.
I-
Okay.
No, I just loaded that. What do you mean I'm have 0 in a mag? Dude, I hate it, cause like if you don't. Ah! Okay, got a molly and adrenaline. And take a med kit.
Dude, if I get copyrighted for that shit, I'm gonna kill you.
I hope you do.
Just replace it with your own song.
What's
Ammo.
Ammo.
Ooh.
Guitar.
Down the hole. Alright.
There's a witch.
Lovely, I got a molly for it.
She's over there somewhere in that hallway.
Spinner!
Boomer.
Boomer. Smoker
Got
somewhere.
him.
Oh wait, that's the witch. I didn't know. I didn't know.
You idiot!
I didn't know.
Ah!
It's dead. Man, it's a bit toasty.
Yeah, it's a bit toasty. We can't get you right now.
I didn't know it was the witch.
The witch is usually in that hallway. Weapons.
A chopper.
Jesus, man.
Joys.
What's in this building over here? Just tell me there's some good things.
That kid.
Yo, I need that. Clown.
David here.
Cover me, please. I can catch you up.
Alright, I got an
Yeah,
adrenaline
thank
shot.
you.
You're welcome, mister.
Keep me for a bit.
I'm gonna place down some frag rounds. Boomer somewhere.
That'll hold me.
It's probably outside.
Oh man, that's the screaming oak. Over the fence.
Boomer dead.
Charger!
Pablo, there's another med kit over here.
Reload. Going with the rifle.
Alright.
Ooh.
Owie!
I'm sorry.
Jeez.
Wait, I thought I picked up the damn med kit. Where did it go?
Did you have it?
Did Rochelle pick it up? No, I didn't. It's right there. God damn it.
Oh. Yeah, I'm running. I'm running. I'm running.
You need some help?
Ah!
Rochelle,
I'm a
don't
bitch.
shoot me. Pablo needs help.
No, I got him. I got him.
Pablo. Alright. Jesus, they're piling up, man.
It's better.
Somewhere. No. Rochelle got it.
Okay.
Alright. Hit it when ready.
Yeah.
Yeah. Clown somewhere.
Rochelle got it.
Speed.
Come on, Rochelle. Oh, shit, I fell. Wait, so, no, hey, Rochelle! Rochelle! Bro!
Got you. Get to it. Get to it.
I got it.
Smoker got me.
Oh, you're right.
Open
Wait,
it.
hold up. Bro.
Ow.
The gnome's down there. I gotta go for him. Oh shoot.
Dave. Oh my god.
Shoot. Rochelle got me. I got the gnome.
Let's go, let's go, let's go.
Where's the... Let's get on this. Jesus.
Dumb zombies.
We better get this achievement.
Yeah. Charger.
Charger.
Oh, I fell.
Hey, do you want me to heal you up?
Yeah.
Oh, wait, hold up. You need to stay still for a sec.
Hold on, I'm getting to a safe area. Or safe-ish.
I don't know how to heal you.
Right click.
Oh, there you go.
Yeah.
I got
Alright,
drugs
thanks.
to take.
Yeah.
Alrighties. Bumper cars.
Spitter. That should be the safe room.
It is. Ow! Some bitch.
Alright.
Need every one of you inside now.
Safe room. Get in now.
Rochelle!
Nah.